Algebra, expanding. In this tutorial, we will talk about expanding, which means extending, or in another way, how to get rid of brackets in an algebraic expression. Let's have a look at this example. If we want to expand 6 into x plus 2, this means that we have to enter the term 6 on each term inside the brackets. First of all, when we see a number next to a bracket, this means that this number, which is 6 here, must be multiplied by x plus 2. This means that we will have 6 times x plus 2. Now, to remove the bracket, you have to multiply 6 times x plus 2, which means in order to get rid of the brackets, we must multiply the x and 2 inside the bracket by the number 6, which is outside the bracket. So we will have 6 times x plus 6 times 2. And in this way, 6 is entering into the first term in the bracket, which is x, and then to the second term in the same bracket, which is 2. Like this, 6 times x plus 6 times 2. Now 6 times x equals to 6x plus 6 times 2, which is equal to 12. And the answer is 6x plus 12 without any brackets. So, when we want to make expanding, this means that you have to enter the term outside the bracket into the terms, every term inside the bracket. In other words, the term outside the bracket must be multiplied by the terms, each term inside the bracket. Let's have a look at another example. Expand x into 2y plus 7. As we have said before, we have to multiply x by 2y plus 7. Now let's enter x into every term inside the bracket. So we will have x times 2y plus x times 7. First of all, we must know that when we have variables without any coefficient which is a number next to it, to the variable, this means that the coefficient for the variable is 1. So the x here means that we have 1x, and this x also is 1x. Now we have to multiply 1x times 2y. First, we multiply the coefficients together, which means we multiply 1 times 2, which gives 2. Then we multiply the variables together, x times y, which is xy, plus 1 times 7, 7, and the only variable x, we get 7x. So, now the answer is 2xy plus 7x without any brackets.